Dear students, let us begin a new day by asking the blessing from the Almighty. Continuing chapter 10, circles. Today, the fourth lecture. Last class, you have seen an important theorem number 10.1. Equal chords of a circle, subtends equal angles. So, this is one of the important theorem in this chapter. So, another one more, the most important theorem, that is theorem 4 and 8. They will conclude with that theorem. And before that, now 10.2, there are 10.1 is already proved, then 10.2 to 10.8, page number 173, 10.2. 10.2 से लेकर 10.7 तक आपको ओनली स्टेटमेंट रीडिंग करने का है और कंसेप्ट. व्हाट इज द कंसेप्ट? इफ सबटेंडेड एंगल्स chords at the center are equal, then the chords are also equal. Subtended angles, when you draw a circle with the center O, you can see circle with the center O. Now you can draw a chord AB, then you mark the center O, then this angle AOB, subtended angle at the center. Subtended angle at the center. If angles subtended by the chord of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. Now if AB is here, you can write a chord here PQ, then again you can subtended angle POQ. इधर you can find another angle. अगर ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल होगा, ये दोनों एंगल POQ इक्वल टू एंगल AOB, अगर ये दोनों एंगल इक्वल होगा तो ये दोनों कोड इक्वल होगा. दोनों which are the two chords? AB and PQ. These two chords are equal. यही है theorem 10.2. The 10.3, the perpendicular from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the chord. The perpendicular from the center of a chord bisect the chord. देखिए ये सर्कल विद सेंटर हो, AB is the chord. अगर ये सेंटर में से सेंटर हो, इसमें से एक परपेंडिकुलर बना दिया, परपेंडिकुलर 90 डिग्री, and intersecting in point M, and this point is the midpoint. Then you can write AM equal to MB, bisecting the chord passing through the center. So you can write AM equal to MB. Then if that line drawn, page number 174, the line drawn through a center of circle bisect a chord, then such a chord is perpendicular to it. और रिवर्स में बोलते हैं अगर पासिंग, अगर कोड का कोड AB का बाइसेक्टर आप बनाएगा, that will pass through the center of the circle. Then theorem number 10.5 on page number 175. There is only one circle through three given non-collinear points. The points which are A, B, C. Therefore, these different. All these points are the same plane, but not in the same line. Non-collinear. Collinear points which are on the same line. Collinear. Now look at here. Select line and A, B, C. Okay, select B. So इसको ये तीनों पॉइंट को क्या बोलेगा? Collinear point. But look at here. These three points are not in the same line. That is right. So there is only one circle passing through three non-collinear. That is theorem number 10.5. Then page number 177. 10 points. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Equal chords of a circle equidistant from the center. Equal chords of a circle equidistant from the center. Again, equal chords of a circle. Equal chord. Again, circle with the center O. और इधर एक chord बनाया AB, इसका भी 5 सेंटीमीटर है, और इधर एक बनाया PQ, इसका भी 5 सेंटीमीटर. तो दोनों इक्वल है. क्या मतलब यहाँ अगर इक्वल कोड होगा, O टू जो O में से AB तक जो डिस्टेंस है OM और O में से ON, ये जो दोनों का डिस्टेंस, ये जो डिस्टेंस और ये जो डिस्टेंस दोनों का डिस्टेंस same होगा because these two chords are equal. These two chords are equal and its opposite है chords equidistant from the center of the circle are equal length. इनका opposite है. अगर chords center में से equal distance में होगा, अगर M और MO, this is center O, अगर MO equal to ON, then you can write then AB equal to PQ, ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं, ये दोनों बोल सकते हैं. अगर AB equal to PQ, then MO equal to ON, और MO equal to ON, then AB equal to PQ. So theorem 10.2 से 10.7 तक आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में स्टेटमेंट लिखे नोटबुक कंप्लीट करने का है, ये आपका होमवर्क है. तो पेज नंबर 171 से लेकर पेज नंबर 173 टू 178 तक है. तो इसमें देखिए आपको कंप्लीट करने का है. सो वी शैल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थियरम दैट इज एग्जामिनेशन ओरिएंटेड. इस मैंने आपको पहले से बोल दिया, दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थियरम. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थियरम दैट इज पेज नंबर 180 theorem 10.8. page number 180 theorem 10.8. page number 180. Here also we need a circle. Page number 180. Look at page number 180 theorem 10.8. The most important theorem in this chapter. So here also we need a circle with the center of circle with the center of. Okay, what is that? The angle subtended by arc at the center is double the angle subtended by any point on the remaining part of the circle. Subtended angle subtended by an arc of the center of the circle. An angle subtended by an arc at the center of the circle is double at the subtended at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Now if you are selecting 2 points A and B here, A and B here, okay? Now this 2 arc is one in this one, APB, APB, that is major arc, okay? Or this is what we call as AQB, this is minor arc. Two arcs are, one is major arc and minor arc. And here we select O. This angle AOB is called subtended angle at the center. Angle AOB is called subtended angle at the center. Subtended angle at the center. Then what about APB? This angle APB, angle APB. This is subtended angle at any point on the circle. Subtended angle at the any point. One is subtended angle at the center. One is subtended angle at any point. ठीक है ना? तो this angle APB is on the major arc. ये major arc में अगर भी आपको AQB बना सकते हैं, AQB भी बना सकते हैं आपको. यहाँ भी आपको एंगल बना सकते हैं AQB, ऐसे भी आपको एंगल बना सकते हैं. ठीक है, एंगल AQB ये भी मेजर आप भी बना सकते हैं. ठीक है. So now for our convenience you think about these two angles. One is angle AOB, this is subtended angle at the center. Then second one is angle APB, subtended angle at any point on the circle. Then what is the relation? Now this AOB is, suppose this angle is x, then this will be double, that is 2x. Suppose this angle APB equal to x, then angle AOB equal to 2 times x, double. That is, the angle subtended by arc at the center is double at the angle subtended by any point on the remaining part of the circle. So that is the relation. The subtended angle, ये दोनों का रिलेशन है. वन इज एट द एनी पॉइंट ऑन द सर्कल, वन इज एट द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल. ये दोनों का रिलेशन है. अगर ये x होगा तो ये इनका डबल होगा, दैट इज 2x. x एंड 2x इसका डबल होगा. तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरम है. इनका प्रूफ में 2-3 स्टेप यहाँ तक पेज नंबर 181 में जो ब्लैक मार्क दिया है, सो वहाँ तक आपको कंप्लीट करना है. फ्यू लाइन्स आर देयर. सो दिस along with the figure 10.28, the 3 figures are there. So proof is given. Proof you have to write with the 3 figures and write the statement up to the black mark is given on page number 181. So you can see a black mark on 181. So up to that completed. So these are the 2 important theorem that is are going to ask for the examination. One is theorem number 1 and theorem number 8. So for my point of view, theorem number 8 is the most important thing. Okay. What is that? The angle subtended. The angle subtended at the center is double the measure of the angle subtended at any point on the circle. So please complete it. So it's homework. So theorem number 10.2 to 10.7, write beautifully all the statement in your notebook. And theorem number 10.8, this theorem, this is 5-mark question. So please write the statement, write proof, then draw the figure, and up to page number 181. And this black mark is there till up to you have to complete it. So take care. We'll meet you with the next class. Okay. Bye bye.